Good morning. Did you know that good sleep is crucial for road safety, especially for truck drivers? Hi, I'm Jackie, a driver manager here at Anderson Trucking Service. Trying to sleep in the truck while being away from home can be challenging. That's why we came up with some tips and tricks to help you get better sleep on the road and ensure you're well rested for all those long drives. Find a safe place to park and sleep. Finding a safe place to park and sleep is key. Plan your trip ahead, allowing time to reach safe spots for your 10-hour break and have backup options in mind in case your first choice is full. De-stress. Driving can be mentally exhausting. To unwind, try exercising. Take a walk, do some body weight exercises, or maybe even try yoga. Chatting with family or reading can also help a person relax. Purchase comfortable bedding. Make your truck bed feel like home for better sleep. Get cozy sheets, a cozy blanket, and a pillow that you love. If the mattress isn't great, a quality topper can work you wonders. Keep your bunk at the proper temperature. Don't forget to set a comfy temperature in your bunk for a good night's sleep. Experts suggest keeping it between 60 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit for the best night's sleep. A cool environment helps you drift off and stay asleep. If you have an APU and bunk heater, you're sorted for all seasons, but it's smart to keep blankets for colder times. Block out the light. For better sleep, make your bunk as dark as possible. Use a sleep mask or blackout curtains to keep the light out. A sunshade for your windshield can also help prevent the light. Invest in a sound machine or earplugs. As a truck driver, it's hard to find quiet spots. Use earplugs, a sound machine, or noise-canceling headphones to block out the noise and get a better night's rest. If you're a team driver, earplugs are especially useful when sleeping while your partner drives. Avoid caffeine and other stimulants. Be careful with caffeine. It can disrupt your sleep, especially if you have it too late in the day. Smoking and alcohol can also interfere. And remember, some over-the-counter meds may also contain stimulants. Shut off electronics. To sleep better, limit screen time before bed.
Your phone?
The blue light mimics daylight, disrupting your sleep. Also, content on screens can trigger strong emotions. Try giving yourself an hour without screens before bedtime for a better night's rest. Start a nighttime routine. To ease stress-related sleep issues, establish a calming bedtime routine. It can be simple, like writing, reading, stretching, and using a sound machine. Also, stick to a regular sleep schedule, even on your days off. Rest well, my friends! Quality sleep is crucial for a truck driver's well-being and safety. It boosts cognitive performance, reduces accident risks, and improves decision-making skills while out on the road. Make your sleep a priority for better health and road safety. And for more tips for truck drivers, check out our Learning Center, linked in the description below. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more weekly truck driving tips and videos. We'll see you on the next one.